Germany has officially committed to financing the large-scale manufacture of 500 Ukrainian An-196 Liutyi long-range drones, marking a notable escalation in European support for Ukraine's defense industry. This contract is Germany's first dedicated investment to directly back the mass production of indigenous Ukrainian drone technology, signaling a shift from conventional military aid toward fostering Ukraine's self-sufficient war production. The Liutyi drone, a strategic kamikaze UAV developed in Ukraine, is designed for precision strikes far behind enemy lines. Equipped with a 50-kilogram explosive payload and capable of flying up to roughly 1,200 kilometers, the Liutyi can target vital Russian infrastructure, including military factories and energy facilities. Its sleek aerodynamic form enhances stealth and fuel economy, while advanced guidance systems ensure improved accuracy. Notably, the Liutyi's unit cost is estimated at about twice that of the earlier Bober drone, reflecting its superior range and capabilities. Ukraine's urgent need to disrupt Russian supply chains deep within occupied territories inspired the development of the Liutyi. Operational use has already demonstrated its effectiveness, with confirmed strikes such as those targeting the Kupol plant in Izhevsk. Engineers have progressively refined the drone's design by incorporating lighter composite materials and larger fuel tanks, mirroring similar advancements seen in other regional drone programs, such as Iran's Shahid series, which evolved from short-range models to systems capable of regional reach. Compared to previous Ukrainian loitering munitions like the Bober or Russia's Lancet drones, the Liutyi distinguishes itself with significantly extended operational range, a heftier warhead, and enhanced radar evasion. While the Bober's range was limited to under 600 kilometers, the Liutyi's doubled reach allows Ukraine to apply pressure on strategic targets well beyond frontline zones, at a fraction of the cost of cruise missiles. Strategically, Germany's funding of Liutyi production reflects a growing European commitment to supporting Ukraine's domestic defense industry, aiming to improve delivery speed and maintain drone stockpiles amid high combat losses. This support may intensify geopolitical tensions with Moscow, which has cautioned that increasing Ukraine's long-range strike capacity could prolong the conflict. Militarily, the expanded drone fleet forces Russian air defenses to spread thinner over a wider area, potentially weakening their frontline coverage. The deal, reportedly worth hundreds of millions of euros, marks a major financial commitment to Ukraine's UAV sector and aligns with German Chancellor Friedrich Merz's pledge to enhance Kiev's standoff strike abilities. Sweden's earlier support for a similar drone production initiative set a precedent last year. As Germany becomes the second-largest donor after the US, this contract also opens the door to future collaborations, possibly extending to missile-carrying drones like the BAR system. This agreement highlights Germany's strategic pivot toward strengthening Ukraine's ability to sustain its war effort independently. The serial production of the Liutyi drone not only represents a breakthrough in Ukrainian military technology but also signals Europe's evolving role in empowering Kiev's capacity to execute deep strikes on critical Russian targets, shaping the long-term balance in the ongoing conflict.